Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm very excited to share this AI-powered travel planner application that I've been working on. So first, just look at the design. It's really clean and modern. The whole UI is styled with Tailwind CSS. It feels smooth across the app. We also have a complete sign up and sign in system powered by Clerk, which makes authentication easy and secure. Now, here is where the fun begins. Once you logged in, you can enter your destination, number of people, and the budget, and select your dates using a DateTimePicker. And just a few taps and everything's ready. Then we hit the Get AI Travel Plan button. And app takes you to an AI plan page. That's where the real magic happens. Using the OpenAI API, the app generates a detailed day-by-day travel plan for you. The cool thing is, this isn't like those generic travel guides you find online. The plan adapts to your budget, your group size, and even the length of your trip. And now the API gives back the data. You have your travel plan, trip summary, budget overview, and everyday plan in detail. Day 1, accommodation, evening activity, dinner, and tips and additional notes. Yes, enjoy your trip. And this plan adapts to your budget and to your group of people and the length of your trip you input, so make it more personal. Instead of spending hours researching flights, hotels, and activities, you can just get a smart, ready-to-use travel plan in just seconds. And it's an AI travel assistant available 7/24. So yes, yes, it have the fully we sign out. It throw me back to the sign in and sign up pages, and we can sign in. Go, and then we come in. So the authentication powered by Clerk, yeah, I think it's very good and secure. So if you enjoy this demo and want to see more AI powered projects like this, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and so you won't miss the next build. And now let's start to build it. So first, create a folder, AI travel, small AI travel. Open this, open terminal. In this, I use super command. This one. npx create expo app and related -e with Tailwind CSS and dot in this folder. If you use this command, we need to install Tailwind CSS manually. Cursor, nice. So open terminal, another terminal, NPX Expo, start. Press I, open simulator. And yes, that's it. And next we need to build the roads and the pages. Okay. So in app folder, layout, and app, we don't need this index. We need app folder, app, and then we have yes, tabs, and then in app folder, underscore layout, RNFE layout. And in the app layout, we need to have sign in, sign in dash int tsx rnf sign. Okay, and same folder, sign dash up tsx rnfe sign up, sign in, sign up, and AI plan. Okay, AI plan, PLANTSX RNFE boom, AI plan. And in tabs, we need to make underscore layout tsx for tabs. And in tabs, we have index.tsx rnfe and profile tsx rnfe profile. That's it. Beautiful. And this is the main layout, and this is the app layout. Okay, for app layout, we need to use stack, React router, and stack protected. Stack protected is sign in, const is sign in, we need to use Clerk to check if user sign in. So at this, and at now we just set it true. And stack protected. If not sign in, we need to throw the user to sign in and sign out page. Okay, header showing all false. If user sign in, we can let the user go tabs and the AI plan page. Okay, stack. As simple as that. And the stack and the user throw in the tabs. So for tabs layout, we need to have tabs. Next router, and the first is index. Okay, index, and I'll import this and design. Sorry. No, right? this and design. Yes, this is one tab, and there's another tab for profile. So that's it. When you log in, we throw in tabs, and then we give index and profile. So that's the roles. We refresh and check. Press I, open it. Now user login and home and profile. That's it. And that's the roles and the pages. So next, we need to add the clerk and the authentication. So we go clerk dashboard and create application. Okay, AI travel. Okay, and create application. At this step, we need to choose Expo. Okay, npm install, and follow this step. Okay. Add env dot local. Save this file and close it. Close. Close. That's it. And for root layout, that is the root layout, we need to add this in return. This is the root layout. That's it. And we better to add the token cache, so user not to need a login every time. And token cache from clerk token cache. Okay, it's done. And we use auth to check if user logged in, but not in this layout. In this layout, assign use auth from clerk. And also we need to have another is loaded to check the loading. If it's not loaded, we give a loading. React Native code. And next, back clerk, sign up page. That's it. Expand code, copy it. Sign up page, Control paste it, close, save. Sign up page and sign in. Okay, copy it, sign in, paste it, save. And sign out button. Okay, sign out, constant sign out. We can handle this sign out. And for sign out, we need to get in the profile page. to build this sign out. So we give this touchable opacity. It's a button and handle sign out and the icon. So first we don't need this too much. And handle sign out, we need to create this function. Alert, React Native, sign out. Okay, use auth, sign out, use user. Okay, and now we have the full authentication if everything is right. We need to restart. Everything is done. So we need to restart because we add a key for Clerk, so we need to restart. So now it's done. Sign up, sign in. That's it. So for the page, sign in. We give some style. Okay, for sign in page. Okay, we give some style. And the safe area view. And the keyboard avoiding view. Okay. And is loading. Okay, is loading. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. And for all these pages, I just paste it. Give some style for this. And for sign up, we give some style for sign up. So sign in and sign up. So I use my email. Create account. Verify. And verify email. And now we log in. For profile, there is a sign out button. So if you click sign out and sign out, we throw back to sign in and sign out page. So that is a full authentication with Clerk and Expo. So use login. Okay, we come in. So next, let's build the home page. So safe area view and scroll view. Home page. Safe area view and scroll view. And for header, the icon, this icon. Where is this icon come from? This icon. And next, we build the form for the message. Form card, destination input, and number of people input, and the budget input, and a date. We use DateTimePicker to make the date. Okay, and so this is a little complicated. I leave it later. Okay. Travel dates. So we give this so in the beginning we need to handle this use date and router. We need to push to the AI page, so we need to use the router and CT, start date, end date, error, people input, and budget input. And the initial value is 2 people and 1,000 USD, and Tokyo is the city, initial city. And we use memo hook to cache the value of the people when user input, and it must bigger than 0, and it must be a number. So now this is the 3 input. The first one is destination input. The default value I set Tokyo. And can enter the destination. And for people, it's the number of the people. And for budget, it's a number. Only input only number. And the budget only number. And here we use memo to cache this value. And next is the date. It's important. The form has a date. People, budget. Okay. Travel dates here. So it's a DateTimePicker. We need to install this. And import DateTimePicker. And that's the function. On change start. And on change end. And then we have a reset. And it's the date. And by default, I just set tomorrow is get date and 1, and next week is get date and at 8. So here is the default value is 19, and 1 week later is 26. And the minimum is start date. Minimum is start date. Minimum is new date. The value is start date. And next we need to get the AI plan. We need to handle some error and some error and some is ready. Is ready. So how we check is ready? When all the data is ready. got this. So I better remove it. At the top. Is ready. And for days, we need to use memo to cache the dates, the days. You have all the value and it's ready. So I think this is ready is not in this area. Yes, it should. I think it should be there, and it's better. And next is a touchable opacity. And the action button. It's a touchable opacity. Get AI plan. And on reset. So we need to add the function. Get AI plan. Set error no. And if no data, we set error and return. If it have data, and then we go this page and give params. And that's it. Reset, and the data, the value is gone. For Tokyo to 2000, from 20 to 27, and ready to plan. And get AI travel. We go this page, AI plan page. So next, let's build the AI plan page. Or AI plan page. It's an amazing part. And for this project. So first we need to go Expo AI. Expo API. And check the Expo document, how to use API. You should create a file like this one, and the function like this one. So in our app folder, we should have another file. Not this API folder. And in this folder, I need to have a file called AI plus API.ts. Let's check it. Yes, .ts. And the function like this. So in this file, we need to write the code like this. It's like we need to install OpenAI, npmi OpenAI, and OpenAI, new OpenAI use OpenAI API key. How to get the key? Go to the OpenAI platform and log in. After login, you need to create a project. After create a project, we can create a API key. Click here, API key, and create a key. And we got this key. And copy this key. Paste it in this file. My key like this. And save it. And close the file. So we got this key. And we got the post request. We get this data from the client side. The client side gave the data to this API. And if no data, we throw back error. And we give a prompt. So you are an expert travel planner. You're given a destination city, a budget, a number of people, and starting days of trip. Your task is generate a detailed travel plan. The detail are following. And your plan should be given budget, the size including, and give this prompt and a format like this. Use React Native Markdown formatting. And we can console log the prompt and also console log the response. And to check the response, the message content, and this is the API. So in AI plan page, we need to post the data to this API. So first is we need to get something. Okay, get something from the para. Okay, and use search para from next router to get this data. So because in tabs index we router push to this page with params, and we get this data in AI plan page. And after get this data, we need to set a loading error and content. Loading error content. Okay, use React, use state, use router next router, and we should write a use effect to run the API post, and only run one time. Use effect. Okay, React fetch plan. We need to write this function. If we have this data, we fetch this plan. And for this function, async. This is the params. And try fetch API.ai. We go API, go here, post the data, and await for the response text. And if text, we parse this text and set content. So we can also console log the content. And if it's loading, we give a loading. Save area view. Okay, and if it's loading, we give it loading. If error, we give error. Okay, give this error and touchable opacity to go back. And then we return the UI. Okay, and we use Markdown, React Markdown to show the UI. So npmi React Native Markdown display, and import this from, and we'll give some style for the content. So if everything is okay, everything is okay, we should okay, default value Tokyo, 2 people, budget 1000 USD, and set data. We get this plan. Go. Method not allowed. No. Clerk has been loaded with key content. No. We should set this server, set it to output to server, and then restart. App.json, we should set this to server, and cut it, and restart. And here we go. Get We got it. Ooh. Nice. So let's see if, okay. We console log first. And we got this prompt. So we console log the prompt. Okay, first, because we give this first, console first, and prompt, we console prompt. So we got the prompt. And that's the backdata. So we console log response, that's the response. And the response, dot choice, dot message, dot content. That's the content. Okay, and in plan page, we give this content to the in the markdown. It shows the UI. Okay, enjoy your trip. That's it, it's done. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, 6, 7, and the final. And the description, all the money, and the tips. AI travel plan. That's it. Yeah, and for the next is a profile page. We try again. For this, we try again. We try again. We try again. And let's try Kuala Lumpur, 1 people. Let's try 2,000, 3,000, and get this plan. Nice. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8. Prefer transport, flight, depart from Kuala Lumpur. Enjoy your adventure. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Estimated cost 2,000 and remaining budget 600. Good. Is the last one is profile page. I go profile page, back, and profile page. Profile page is simple. It's just some UI and one sign out. Okay, one just sign out. I just paste this UI here. Control C. Safe area view. Safe area view seems like need update. We return safe area view. a safe area view. React Native scroll view, React Native image. Okay, React Native. Yeah. Oh. React Native. Okay, and get the username. Okay. And sign out, const user, get username, get user email, get username, get user avatar, get user email. Here we go. And we got this profile page. All this is UI. Only this function sign out works. Okay, beautiful UI. And yes, it's done. When you click sign out, it's sign out.